In order to continue dominating the market for foldable smartphones, Samsung is preparing to introduce the Galaxy Z Fold 7 this summer. Although they are still rarely seen in public, foldables may soon change that. Rumor has it that Apple is entering the foldable market and could deliver the first foldable iPhone as early as 2027. Whether one likes it or not, Apple's market introduction always attracts a lot of attention. About 3 months remain until the highly anticipated Galaxy Z Fold 7 from Samsung is released, but new benchmarks are helping us get a clearer picture of what to anticipate. A device with the model code SF966U was recently detected on Geekbench. In the US, it is believed to be the Galaxy Z Fold 7. The Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 for Galaxy chipset, also known internally as the Snapdragon 8 Elite, is featured on the listing along with a motherboard named Sunday. This effectively allays earlier concerns that Samsung might select a less powerful 7-core CPU type to regulate heat output. This is the same hardware that will power the upcoming Galaxy S25 series. A source claims that the Z Fold 7 will undoubtedly come with the full 8-core Snapdragon 8 Elite, ensuring that it will work with Samsung's upcoming flagship devices from the S series. A disappointment for those who were expecting for a 16GB upgrade. The test also shows that the Z Fold 7 will have 12GB of RAM, the same amount as the Z Fold 6. One of the first Samsung smartphones to come pre-installed with the latest operating system, the foldable has been tested running Android 16 with Samsung's One UI 8 on top. Samsung's next major launch event is anticipated to feature the Galaxy Z Flip 7, Galaxy Z Fold 7, and a new, less expensive clamshell version known as the Galaxy Z Flip Fan Edition. Given the Z Fold's high price point, which is expected to remain at $1,799, concerns have been voiced over potential chipset downgrades to control heat in the compact foldable shape. However, these concerns appear to be unfounded. Samsung is obviously under pressure to offer excellent specifications everywhere. Even if Samsung's products continue to advance, Apple's anticipated entry into this market might significantly alter the landscape by drawing more attention to the foldables category. For the time being, Samsung fans may relax knowing that the Galaxy Z Fold 7 will offer flagship-level performance and the most recent software updates. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.